promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier.
Fine.
Look, whatever it is, it's between you and Beast. I'm staying out of it.
I don't have time to go into it right now. I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
Damn,
It's
am I
not
gonna...
what you might be thinking.
You're gonna have to like get in the middle of every fairy tale known to man. Little Mermaid and shit. Well, at least I'm the cool character, the wolf. But then I get killed. Man, what the fuck? And this is like the best. Wake up, asshole.
Hey, you awake? Probably for the best.
Okay. Let's touch that. Nope. Why is just looking at it? Okay.
Money catcher needs to dust this guy.
Let's check this out.
Been a while since I got
fine.
any mail. 7th day in a row.
Wow. They must really not like me. Management, Blue, Horner, Private, Coal, Storage, Grumble, Catcher. Bigsby name tag.
Damn thing fell off again.
You sure? Okay, fine. Didn't want to wait. Wait.
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty? So, have you?
I'm staying out of it.
Out of what?
Whatever it is, Beast. I'm not a marriage counselor.
Damn it. Something's going on.
Why is everybody like coming to me for whatever? Must be somebody like in behind the darkness, like manipulating everybody or something.
Should've cracked a window.
Now that I mentioned that, this game kind of reminds me a little bit of the darkness, not in the graphics, but just the tone. And it's like,
What a night.
okay, I'm gonna eat something.
Why do I even own this? Should've got a smaller one.
Huff Puff. Oh, the Huff Puff thing was from the Three Pigs. When he was blowing up their houses. No, not blowing up. Blowing off.
Bluebeard's file.
Who's Bluebeard?
Never trusted this guy. Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign. Should help.
Must. Holy shit! What the fuck is a pig doing here?
Oh, hey, Big B. I'm in your chair, huh?
I'm tired, Colin. It's been a long day.
Why is there a pig in my room?
Got a smoke?
This game makes less and less sense.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
Come on. That's a little dramatic.
That for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different you are now. Nice. I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
I just took a drink.
So, everyone hates me.
Nah, I'm just giving you shit.
I'm doing my best here.
Clearly that is not true. What with the selfishness with the bourbon. But,
Oh my-
no. Hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands.
Yeah, that's because the woodsman thought he was
Who'd you get in a
brave.
fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
I was doing my job, believe it or not.
Your job is to beat the shit out of fables.
Sometimes I take them to the farm.
Fuck you.
Man, everything I said that just pisses off this guy.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not
No.
everyone.
Name one.
What was her name?
I don't actually know her name.
Awesome. Great example.
Hey, I gave Toad a
Life
break.
is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
You son of a
Wait, that
bitch.
doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
Just give him a drink. He won't shut up.
Thanks, Bigby.
Doesn't he have a bed? Okay, okay, hold your horses. Yes, yes. Okay, la chingada. Hold it.
Bigby,
Snow?
come with me.
Is it just me or do they look similar?
Snow. Snow!
What? Sorry, I'm...
Just slow down.
No, keep up. We need to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
Who's that guy?
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
Really? What did you say, morning or evening? Can't you tell? Already? Damn. It was probably that ginger guy who just went by. I don't know why, but I didn't trust him. Can be because of... I mean, he just happened to be there right after that girl's head's gonna pop out. Yep, I knew it.
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right? Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown. She looks familiar. I can't place her, though.
She was a prostitute.
Really?
I never caught her real name.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was somebody like...
The woodsman. He attacked her, I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible.
So, did you see anyone else?
No. No one.
No cabs, no voices, Mundies?
Maybe, but... no. I don't think so. I would remember.
Okay.
Bigby, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. I'll have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
Don't they have like a freaking... emergencies? I mean, like
What is-
CSI? Get it? Don't talk, just get it.
It's her ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize it.
Neither do I. Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it.
Magic and sharp.
She was placed
Got
here
it.
with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
Not me. I was talking to a pig. Yep, see, blood trail.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
Take some photos, get blood everywhere.
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Nothing there, nothing there. Blood, of course. What's that?
No signs that it's been here long.
What is it?
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
Could be. Oh, it could have been.
Just some loose trash.
Is that my cigarettes? What the fuck?
Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough. Yep, more blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, then left the trail I found earlier.
Yep. So who was it? Open the goddamn door. What are you gonna do? Grab the blood?
Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour maybe.
How does he know that?
It's gotta have something to do with the blood on the fence.
Yeah. Now we gotta look for somebody who has jeans, ripped jeans, that are like grayish, light blue. Who's over here? Okay, grab that, look there. What the hell? Dude, go over there! God damn it. Watch out, Snow. Oh my god, I'm so slow. I'm like a freaking slow tank. There's just... I can't go that way. What's that?
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time.
I thought she was looking up her...
We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
This is a message.
A
Yeah, to who?
message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
Whoever did this isn't exactly hiding it. The placement of the head, it's exact, purposeful. She was placed here precisely for us to find. All of us.
Well, yes. I guess you're right. The killer wanted us to know what they had done. I'm gonna have to talk Crane about this.
Who's Crane?
As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him.
I guess it's useless to drag it out.
That's how I feel too. I'm sure he won't be happy, but it's just part of the process. Hopefully he can be rational about it.
I wouldn't hold
No.
my breath.
I'm not.
I just don't want him interfering.